Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix and repair break surge in Windows 10 or 11. So it is very easy to fix and repair. So first you need to type here to search. Now type cmd. Now right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator. Now need to type this command line sfc space slash scan now. Now press enter. Now wait some few minutes, this processor will be completed. If this processor will be 100%, so you need to type second command. I will give in description box, so you need just copy and paste it. Now paste it. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.